missing out on. All the fun at swimming pool. But they are the lucky ones. You know what's in my hand? Water. Splash. Hi everyone. Hope you are fine. I'm drinking enough water to keep yourself hydrated. Just a week ago, we saw how one of the most celebrated footballer in a PC encouraged people to drink water instead of carbonated soft drink. Daddy says H2O is water. Fishu, is this water? I see the big O and two small H. It is like cartoon drawing of a teddy bear. Oxygen, why are you negative? See, your H are so positive. Meet my new friends, Water Valley and Water Sally. The blue water droplet, the pink water droplet. They are siblings. She has a bouncy ponytail. Friends, we must stay hydrated round the year and especially during hot and humid weather because we lose a lot of body fluids through sweat. So stay hydrated. You look dehydrated, go and drink some water. My friends, Water Valley and Water Sally are on a mission to make every drop count because water is life. Thank you for watching this video. You can like and subscribe to my channel. Jain.